Namaste. Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. Today's video is first in a series of videos where in each video I will take a single word, just one Hindi word, and teach you the correct pronunciation of that Hindi word, tell you its meaning, and perhaps most importantly, give you 5 example Hindi sentences for that word and explain those sentences in detail. It may sound a lot for one Hindi word, but this way, with each video, you will not only learn a new Hindi word, but also how to use it in different context and scenario. And I believe this is something you will find very useful and helpful if you want to become fluent in Hindi. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And after this video, you can explore the channel and check out my other videos. If you have already subscribed, thank you. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notifications when new videos are posted. To support the channel, you can either buy me a coffee, the link is in the description, or buy a Superthanks, which you can find on your screen right below this video. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start. The word for this video is aaj. Aaj, which means today. Again, the pronunciation is aaj. And let's look at the first sentence. Aaj shaniwar hai, which means today is Saturday. Aaj, as you already know by now, means today. Shaniwar is Saturday and hai corresponds to is. Aaj shaniwar hai, today is Saturday. In this sentence, I have used Saturday or Shaniwar as an example. You can use any other day of the week and the sentence will remain the same. For example, for Tuesday, you can say Aaj Mangalwar hai. If you want to learn names of all the days of a week, I have made a short that you can watch and practice. The link is in the description. Aaj Shaniwar hai. Today is Saturday. The second sentence is Aaj mera janmdin hai. Today is my birthday. Aaj, as you know, is today. Janmdin is birthday. Mera is my. So mera janmdin is my birthday. Now here, mera is the masculine version of my. Feminine version is meri. And here we are using mera because janmdin in Hindi has masculine gender. If we were talking about something which has feminine gender, we would be using meri. But since birthday or janmdin has masculine gender in Hindi, we say mera janmdin, my birthday. And this gender assignment, it's an important aspect of Hindi. And words like janmdin or even inanimate objects are assigned genders. If you want to learn about the gender assignment in Hindi, do watch my video Gender in Hindi. The link is in the description and also at the top of the screen right now. So going back to our sentence, Aaj mera janmdin hai. Today is my birthday. Moving on to third sentence. Aaj bahut garam hai. Today is very hot. Aaj is today. Hot is garam. Bahut is very or a lot. So bahut garam is very hot and hai corresponds to is. Aaj bahut garam hai. Today is very hot. The fourth sentence, it is a little bit more complicated than earlier sentences and we will learn a couple of new things here. मुझे आज का अखबार चाहिए means I want today's newspaper. Here, मुझे is I. I know in earlier sentences, मैं was used for I, but here we are using मुझे. And I have made a video on this topic also, when and how to use मैं or मुझे for I in Hindi, and I have given example sentences. Once you have watched the video, it will be very clear to you when you should use मैं and when you should use मुझे. Here I will just say मुझे is I and चाहिए at the end of the sentence is want. So मुझे चाहिए is I want. Looking at the middle of the sentence, आज का अखबार is today's newspaper. When we say today's newspaper, what we mean is newspaper that belongs to today. And that's exactly how we say it in Hindi. आज का अखबार. Ka is of today. Newspaper of today. Again, here, ka is the masculine version of the word. If we were using feminine version, it will be ki. But akhbar again has masculine gender in Hindi, so we are using ka. Today's newspaper is Aaj Ka Akhbar. So when we say मुझे आज का अखबार चाहिए, it means I want today's newspaper. And this is the fifth and the last sentence of the video, which is again a little complicated and we will learn a new thing here. मैं आज एक सेब खाऊंगी और मैं आज एक सेब खाऊंगा, which means I will eat one apple today. As you can see, in Hindi, the ending is different and I will get to that in a short while. But let's start from the beginning of the sentence. मैं is I, आज is today. Apple is सेब and one is एक. So एक सेब is one apple. Now getting to the end of the sentence, we can have the ending either as खाऊंगी or खाऊंगा. Now खाना as a verb means to eat. As a noun it means food, but here we are using it as a verb. Khana is to eat. Khaungi or khaunga means will eat. That is in future tense. So the difference between the two is khaungi is feminine and khaunga is masculine. That is the gender of the person speaking this sentence. So if the gender of the person speaking the sentence is feminine, we will say मैं आज एक सेब खाऊंगी. I will eat one apple today. If the gender of the person speaking is masculine, they will say मैं आज एक सेब खाऊंगा. I will eat one apple today. So I hope it is clear that when we want to say in Hindi, the ending of the sentence changes खाऊंगा or खाऊंगी depending on the gender of the person speaking this sentence. मैं आज एक सेब खाऊंगी और मैं आज एक सेब खाऊंगा both mean I will eat one apple today. So these were the 5 sentences, all of which had the word आज in them, which means today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a new word and more importantly, you learned how to use it in different kind of sentences and hopefully in everyday conversation. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification when a new video is posted.